Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Skwovet. So in your craft packet, you will have two reference pictures, one of regular Skwovet, one of shiny Skwovet. You will also have two pieces of cardstock with Skwovet body parts drawn on. And you will have two little paper clips. So the first thing we're going to do is color our Skwovet pieces to match either the regular Skwovet or the shiny. And so these pieces, the long strips, are going to be the body, and then of course the face and the tail. So you can color those and then cut them out, and then I'll show you how to put it all together. All right, so once we have our Skwovet colored and cut out, we're going to take the long rectangle that is just a rectangle, fold one section at the bottom in half, just like this. And then we're going to take some scissors and we're going to make some little feet by cutting a little kind of half circle into the part that we folded over, so that when we open it back up, we have some little feet. And then if you would like, you can go ahead and grab a marker or pen or something and make some little toes. Then we're going to set this one aside for a moment along with the tail. We're going to take our head piece. So this is of course the face, and then this is the beginning of the body, the lower part that we see. And we are going to take some glue and put some glue right along, kind of in a little rectangle shape around the edge of the bottom. Then we're going to take that part that we put glue on, we're going to fold it back and loop it around to bring it into a circle and glue that spot to the back of our Skwovet's face. So just press that down real good. It's going to make a circle, but with all the color on the outside. Then come find your Skwovet's little chin, and we're going to make a little crease underneath that chin. And that way it will kind of stand up. Now we'll come back to the feet and the legs. We're going to put some glue right across above the little feet. Just make a nice big square of glue there. And then we're going to take our Skwovet head and set it right there into our glued spot right above the feet. And press that down. So then from the front, it'll look about like this. Then we're going to add just a teensy bit more glue back here, right in a line, right where the end of that circle is. And then we're going to press that up against the little circle body. So that will make this part stick up a little bit. And then we can come look, it's gonna start, rounding out here. So then we're just gonna kind of pinch that. And we're gonna make a crease here as well. So then we have a flat bottom so that it can stand up. Then we'll take this very top piece that's sticking out way far up here. I'm gonna put some glue across the back of it on the white side. And that we're going to loop down to line it up with that crease we just made. Press that glue down, and that is going to make a little loop for a tail. Now, of course, Skwovet's tail is much bigger and puffier than that, so that's why we have our tail here. So we're gonna just flip it over, add some glue right at the bottom of the tail, usually probably right around this line, kind of between the two little tufts going out over here is enough glue, and that's fine. And then we're just gonna add it to our little tail loop here. And then we have our completed little Skwovet. Now, adding the second layer of tail that's nice and big and fluffy is gonna make him back heavy. So that is where our paper clips come in. We'll put one on each side of the bottom at the front, right behind the face and under the legs to add some weight so that he can stand up. And then once we have those paper clips on, you might want to do still a little more shaping. If you want to lean some things further up or lean further back, however you want, that is okay. And then we have our completed Skwovet or Skwovets. So here I have a regular and here I have a shiny. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye!